Ba re di betha ka di bethe re tse re na le ba bethe re bethelela. Bethe wena. Shit.
So wola Ntwana, I hope you guys are doing well. Ushebe Shita is trending this morning. Now this guy is mostly in the news for all the wrong reasons. If it's not speeding, it's him being violent towards his followers and fans. So as much as he's a self-made celebrity with thousands that love him and follow his music, his fans has also shown some concern over his conduct as he has been seen physically assaulting them on a number of occasions.
O ka tloga mo ba o bukile KZN o fitla wa lwa le batho. O ka fitla wa no lata batho di fan wa di betha. A e gona ga le bra. O ka se bethi di fan wa bona. Ene di video tse nna di postiwang ka nna ke video tse le re di a khathi. Ge motho a betha kula ka di ten ka sten a phyatla ora phyatla mafatla. Tšeo a ba di bontši. Ge motho a mpetha ka sten a ba di bontši.
He ba.
Wa mfreta ge motho a ngoga a ba di bontši. Di phela di khathiwa mo le re ke betha motho.
He ba.
A tse dingwe tse rena bro wa ke reng. E no borna a ke kgethiši di fan nka se re a ke ka ke di taverneng ora ke ka because nna di fan ke di tse serious ka ofela.
Ke bona taba ga nne re bua but the thing is but ba bangata ba sheba internet ba bona clip ya 15 seconds ba sa tsebe go etsagalang ebe ba blame
wa bona batho ba re ke lwa le King Monate wa bona ba mbotso re o bolla so ka nna nna ke na flop ya dede wa bona e bile for reng if lo re King Monate don't tlhile for ke tlhile ke King Monate bra e bolla something more na ya bontso ro ra ke na le people se or maybe go ra ke tse mara gona le ntwe le re ya dire wa King Monate sa ntwa tlhoena ke tswa le mpopolena gona le tse le re sharp di tlhagile ka kwa botlhoko reng wa motho le re ke mo just brafan me wa bona wa sa ntšhobe so mara ke mo blame ka selo ke mo blame o nna ke no itse gore re ke threat mo ya ene ke tono mo respect la ka ntlhoya ke tono mo rata a ke to mo tlhoya because yana o ntlhoile because nna ke mo lebeletse ke bona motho le reng ke nya go fihla da o tsona lo yana bro wa go bona gore na respect boss wa ga le hobo respect motho ke motho no maganjani wa mfrastana so a ke to change a ke nya go ba ntwele re if o ntwele ora o motho le tlhoyo mo ona na le nna a ke to busha same hate or same le tlhoyo mo wena wa bona ne go frustana ka frustana ntlo.
So Sheba's reputation has with no doubt been compromised by his behavior. This has come up in a number of interviews that he's done, as well as in the comments that have been left by those that are worried about him and his conduct. So honestly, he had kept his head down for a while until this video of him at Khobane, Kompenama, this past Saturday started doing the rounds. So many have tried to defend him, saying that this video was old, although it was only taken this past Saturday. Many others have stated that Shebe needs to be called out. He needs to be called to order from his conduct, and people are getting tired of his behavior. So Yena, he definitely has some die-hard fans that don't seem to even be bothered about his ways. But if he continues like this, it might be the end of his career.